Hello, this is Mr. Painter with another fabulous IXL tutorial. Today we're working on W6, solve one-step equations. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take our equation and show just a little bit of work. So 4 equals f minus 5. Now the goal is to get the variable by itself on the same side of the equation. Notice that negative 5 is also on the same side and it's bothering the f. So all you're going to do today is take the opposite. So opposite of negative 5 is add 5. But whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So we're going to add 5 here as well. So imagine taking the equal sign here and making like a wall. All right, so if I add 5 to one side here, on the other side of the line, I got to add 5. So here we go. 4 plus 5 takes you to 9, equals, f comes down, and you lost $5 but get $5 back. That goes away. So therefore, f equals 9. It doesn't matter which side it's on, but f equals 9. You go that way, it's fine. So let's go ahead and plug it in. F equals 9. And voila, there we go. All right. Now, next step. We're going to go ahead and work this one out. We got f plus 3 equals 9. So let's make a little bit of room. All right, beautiful. Okay, so here we go. F plus 3 equals 9. Now, notice that f needs to be by itself, but the positive 3 is bothering it. So the opposite of adding 3 is to subtract 3 from both sides. So minus 3, minus 3. So 3 minus 3 cancels out to 0. 9 minus 3 is 6, but f comes down. So f equals 6. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. F equals 6. All right, so now something a little bit harder. We got something called division. Remember, there's no such thing as fractions. Fractions are really division, so it's not bad. All right. Okay, so next step, what we're going to do is we're going to take our equation, copy it in there. So we got 2 equals b over 3. Okay, now look at the sign here. The sign says to divide. Okay, fractions are divide. So what we're going to do, instead of dividing by 3, we're going to multiply both sides by 3. So times 3, but whatever you do on one side, you must do to the other side. So multiply times 3. So now 3 times 2 is 6 equals 3 divide 3 cancels to 1, and b divide 1 is still b. So 6 equals b. So we're going to take that, plug it in. 6 equals b. All right. Beautiful. Okay, next step, we have 3q equals 6. All right, so notice here that it's 3 times q. Whenever you have a number and a variable next to each other, that is a multiplication problem. So both sides we're going to divide by 3, and therefore q equals 6 divided 3 is 2. So now I just take my 2 and plug it in. All right, next equation, we got 2. So we got a coefficient, which is the number and the variable. Okay, so that's 2 times n equals 6. And now what we're going to do is take the opposite. Opposite of multiplication is divide 2, and n equals, so 2 cancels out, to 1, n divided 1 is n. 6 divided 2 is 3. Awesome. All right, next one. We got k plus 3 equals 6. So k plus 3 equals 6. Okay, opposite of adding 3 is minus 3, so subtract 3, and therefore 3 eliminates. K equals 6 minus 3 takes you to positive 3. So notice it's just the opposite. Whatever you do to one side, hey, do the other side. So here we go. K equals 3. Okay, I'm going to do one more, get our smart score above 50, and you'll be able to take it from there. All right, last one. This is a division problem, so these are always good to show an example of. All right, so we got 1 equals W over 2. Now think to yourself, what is the opposite of division? Think. What is the opposite of division? Yes, multiply is the opposite. So multiply by 2, because we got that on the bottom that needs to go. But if I multiply by 2 on the right side, hey, I need to multiply by 2 on the left side. So 2 times 1 is 2 equals 2 divide 2, cancels out 2W. Hey, therefore, W is equal to 2. And there we go. That concludes the tutorial for today. Have a great day.